Hello everyone, my name is Musa from Daytona, Japan, and today I'm going to introduce Daytona USB-C charger. So this USB-C charger is for 12-volt motorcycles. This is installed on the fairing, but you can install this on any type of vehicle with 12-volt battery. I will explain that in a minute. So this USB charger has power delivery features, so it can output 18 watts. Let's go check here. As you can see, this USB charger has a rubber cap, so it is water resistant. So when you're not using your charger, please close the cap so it has some sort of water protection. And as you can see here right now, it has a small LED to tell you the charging status. So let's go plug this smartphone in. As you can see, the smartphone is charging right now, and the LED is telling us that it's charging. Very convenient. And as I said, this is installed on the fairing, and you need a 20 millimeter hole on your fairing. And also this USB charger has battery protection features as well, so it will not withdraw your motorcycle's battery if it has less than 12 volts. And also it has a fuse right here, as you can see, to protect your battery from short circuits. So let's go install one of these USBs on this Yamaha R25. The first thing, we need to remove our fairing. So on these motorcycles, it's really easy to remove the fairing. Okay, we got it out. And after that, after removing your fairing, you need to decide where you want to install this USB. As I said, 20 millimeter hole is needed. So I chose here and already drilled a hole with my hand drill. You can do the same. Also, one thing to be careful is that the hole and the behind the hole, so pay attention that this USB body can fit here. So let's go install this on this fairing. So first, remove the bolt from your USB and run the cable through the hole that you just drilled. Run the transformer in. Okay, we just installed our USB charger body. And after that, run the nut to fix USB body to the fairing. Okay, and after that, securely fix the nut to the fairing. Okay, make sure it doesn't move. Okay, I really like the orientation and the location of my USB charger. And after that, please fix this transformer to your fairing, so make sure it doesn't move. Today I'm going to use a double-sided tape, as you can see here, but you can use like zip ties and other things as well. Okay, as you can see, it's nice and secure here. And after that, you need to do the connections. So today I'm using connectors like these, but these are not included in the box. You can also solder cables directly to the power cables. Okay. You can also clean up your cables with zip ties and other things as well. Like you can have a clean installation if you want. Okay, so let's try. Let's turn on the motorcycle and try to charge our smartphone. As you can see, it's charging right now. The charging status LED is on, so everything's great. After this point, you can put the screws back on your fairing and the installation is complete. And I said this USB charger can be installed on any other vehicle with 12-volt battery. You can install this on your car. You can install this on your like marine boat. If you have like if you can drill a 20 millimeter hole on your vehicle. And also it also has a 12-volt battery. So this is a very versatile product. That's all for today's USB-C charger introduction and installation. Thanks for watching.